Um, you do know your eggs are down there. That's not where you sit. Huh? Are you going clucky, but you're on the edge? So, are you confused? Huh? What are you wanting to do? Or are you still contemplating if you want to go sitting on eggs? There's a time of year for it. You can if you want. Huh? You got a nice little clutch back there. You are sounding like you want to go clucky. That's a good clucky sound. See how she's flaring up at me? She's like, yeah, cranky pants. Go away. Leave me alone. Oh, dear girl.